Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the most easiest passive income stream, and that is high yield savings account. Last month I have earned about $250.87 just by keeping cash in high yield saving account. I also got $200 for opening a new savings account, so that added up to $450.87. And I must say that it really took almost about 5 minutes to create an account. In this video I'm going to talk about what they are, why should I use them, and which one I currently use. I'm going to compare different banks and their saving rate in this video. High yield saving account is one of my favorite type of passive income stream because it requires no effort to earn some extra cash from this account. High yield saving account is different than a traditional saving account because it typically pays a lot of more interest than the other saving rates provided by different banks. Say you have $10,000 saved in a traditional account at the national average yield of 0.23 for savings account, then you will get $23 as interest. However, if you put the same amount, $10,000 at 3.4 or more interest rate at high yield saving account, then you will get $340 or more. Here's a massive difference out here. The reasons you should use high yield saving accounts are: first, you get high return from your money. Beside that, it's safe. It's FDIC insured, and FDIC insures up to $250,000. So it's risk free, and you can use this account to also set up your emergency fund inside of it, and cover up the emergencies like medical emergencies, car repairs, or wedding planning and things like that. You can also save it for the down payment of your new house. In addition to that, the interest paid out is paid monthly, and you don't have to wait for a year or 5 years like the CD offers. So it's a pretty good deal. So now let's go to the big banks that are paying literally nothing in their saving account.
Let's go to Chase Bank to see what it offers as the interest rate. As we can see here, it's 0.01%. It's literally nothing, and it says that the interest is compounded and credited monthly based on the daily balances collected. And let's see what are the fees applied here to open this account. It says that we have to pay $5 or zero with one of the following. So there must be either $300 each day or $25 or more in total autosave or other repeating automatic transfers from your personal Chase checking account. You should be under 18 years old, and it should either be linked with a Chase Premier Plus checking account, Chase Sapphire checking, or Chase private client checking account. So there are lots of options to open this account, but I guess that it's not for me. So let's dive into the other bank that's providing the traditional savings interest. The other bank I am looking at is Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo Way to Savings. It also has the same criteria as Chase Bank has, apart from one automatic transfer each business day within the fee period of $1 or more from a linked Wells Fargo checking account, and the primary account owner is 24 years old or under. But if you see here, the minimum deposit to opening this account is $25, and the standard interest rate being provided at this bank is 0.15, which is pretty low. We talked about the traditional savings account. Now let's talk about the high yield savings account. I'm going to look at Discover's high yield savings account for now. Let's open the website and go to the savings. So if you see here, the Discover's online saving account gives 3.40 percentage annual return, and the monthly fee is zero for this one, and there is also not any insufficient fund fees. The minimum opening deposit is $0 for this one. And there is also a good comparison here with the other banks. And if you like to add other banks, then you can do it from here. So if you see here, you can see that the Chase is only giving 0.01%. Here is a very good comparison, whereas Citibank is giving 0.05, a little bit higher than what Chase is giving. Bank of America is giving 0.01%. This is all the traditional banks here. So if you want to do, then in the Discover's website, you can compare with any other bank's rates and you can make an informative decision from there. And if you see here, if you put $15,000 in this account, then you'll be able to get $509.44 return in your money. So it's pretty massive in comparison to $1.50 from Chase, $7.50 from Citibank, and $1.50 from Bank of America. So I think the high yield option is the better one because it gives more return in the money you have parked in the bank account. The other bank is CIT Bank. It's providing almost like 4.05% APY. It's I think probably the highest I have seen, but there might be some other banks providing a lot more higher than this, but I haven't seen the banks that are providing like more than 5%. So if you see here, let me see that it's offering the competitive rates, and we have mobile banking, which is very good thing, and there is no monthly service fees. That there are no account opening or monthly service fees for this saving account. So I like this part because the high yield savings account doesn't have any account opening or monthly service fees, and it saves a ton of money if we don't even have to pay monthly fees, because if it's $5 per month, then we are paying almost like $60 per year, right? So it doesn't make any sense for me.
So I have opened a bank account with Discover's online savings. It gave me a account opening bonus also. So I think that high yield savings are way more better than the traditional savings. I used to put money in Chase checking account, which gave literally $0 for keeping money inside that bank. So right now I have made an effort to make change with my money decisions. So I hope you will do the same. And if you have any questions, please write it in the comment. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video.